I think the issue of these insects have been a worrisome situation to us for some time now. We have tried using various kind of insecticides, but it's not working for us. And during classes hours, the children will be sitting, as you can see, we don't have furniture. Then all of a sudden they will fall on the floor. Then you see that they will be running away, and you have to bring them back, try to sweep them off and organize them again. Another batch of them will fall again. And they have some pungent smell, and that is making us not feel comfortable sitting in the class. I don't know, maybe we have to appeal to a higher authority to come to our aid, because on our own we've tried different kind of chemicals. They go, and for some time they come back, and I think it's not helping our cause of teaching and learning in this school here.